Hi, to change icon size on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we would need to go in the phone settings first, and here scroll a bit to go in this wallpaper and personalization tab. Now, after that, take a look at this upper panel, and here you would find this section icons which you need to select, and now you can adjust icon size. For that, you would need to drag the slider right to make them bigger, or left to make them smaller like that. Let's make them like the biggest option possible and check the changes. So this is how the display will look now. Let's make the smallest option, and this is the smallest option available. Now let's put it somewhere here, and also we can change background color. Just tap here, you can switch between default, blue, green, purple and brown. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.